Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Monster of Glory on Android. First, head to the Google Play Store and search for Monster of Glory to download and install. Ensure your device has at least 2 GB of RAM and sufficient storage, typically around 500 megabytes for a smooth experience. Once installed, launch the app, create a new account, or log in. The game will then guide you through a quick, interactive tutorial, introducing core mechanics. The core gameplay revolves around collecting and evolving a diverse roster of monsters, each with unique abilities. Combat is turn-based, requiring you to strategically select your monster's skills. Pay close attention to elemental types. For example, a fire monster might deal extra damage to a nature monster. Completing daily quests and story missions will grant you valuable resources like gold, experience points, and rare monster eggs, helping you strengthen your team. To succeed, focus on upgrading your most powerful monsters, especially those with higher star ratings, to maximize their combat effectiveness. Don't miss out on daily events. They often offer unique rewards and materials. Joining a guild can provide significant benefits, including cooperative challenges and shared resources, fostering a sense of community. Remember to manage your in-game currency, like gems and gold, carefully, investing in essential upgrades and powerful new monsters. As you progress, experiment with various monster team compositions to find synergies that suit your playstyle. Mastering advanced combat techniques, such as chaining specific monster skills for powerful combos, will give you a significant edge. Test your skills in the player versus player arenas to climb global leaderboards and earn prestigious rewards. Always explore new game modes and challenges as they become available, keeping the experience fresh and offering new ways to earn valuable resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.